Welcome to IPC 144, an introduction to programming using C. My name is Robert Robson, and I'll be leading you through this online version of the course. The C programming language was originally developed to build the Unix operating system, and since that time it has evolved into being one of the most popular languages in use. As such, it forms a really good starting place to learn how to program. This course is your very first course in programming, and as such it gives you the groundwork and the basic concepts and understanding and skills that you're going to need for the rest of your courses in this program. This course works in conjunction with Applied Problem Solving, APS 145, where this course teaches you the basics of programming, and Applied Problem Solving shows you how to solve more complex problems. Now, programmers typically, people see programmers work and they think that all they do is type. But in reality what they're doing is problem solving. And problem solving is one of the big skills you need to learn. This diagram shows how a week in the course is going to work. Your week starts at Monday at 8 a.m. when your weekly quiz will be posted on Blackboard. On Tuesday at 8 a.m., the weekly quiz will be due. During that time, you should do the quiz, look things up in the notes if you need to, read over all the material in the notes so that you know the answers to the quiz, and submit it by Tuesday at 8. 24 hours before your first class in the week, the weekly workshop is going to be released, and you should take a look at it and start working on it so that when you get to your first class, you've already started the workshop and you've got questions ready for your professor that you need help on. During that class, you can get help from your prof and get ready to submit the workshop. The workshop, the first part of it, is due 24 hours after your first class. The second part is due a little later, and we'll talk about that in a moment. You come into your second class in the week, and this is a tutorial and exercise where they'll be going over a lot of the material that you read about in the readings. They'll be still able to answer questions. They'll be presenting the material in a different way, and they'll have an exercise that you'll have to complete on the material. 24 hours after your second class, that exercise is due, and you'll have to submit it. And then 4 days after your first class is when you pass in the second part of the workshop that you did or started in the first class of the week. So that's what your week is going to look like. So that's an overview of what's going to happen for the rest of this course. Your course is divided into lab time and tutorial time. I think you'll find this material interesting, and I wish you all the best in the remainder of this course.